Are you frustrated because your Laravel mix isn't cleaning up old built files? You're not alone. Today, we're diving into this common issue and showing you how to fix it. I totally get it. It can be really annoying when you expect your build process to tidy up after itself, but instead, it just keeps piling on new files. This is a problem many developers face. Let's look at the specific situation. One user mentioned that while using Laravel 5.4 with Mix, their old JavaScript and SCSS files aren't being removed. Instead, new files are just added with different names. Sound familiar? If you're experiencing this, stick around as we explore solutions. So, what's going on here? Laravel Mix is supposed to handle versioning and cleanup automatically, but sometimes it doesn't behave as expected. We'll break down why this happens and how to fix it. And don't go anywhere. I have a great tip at the end that will help you manage your built files more effectively. To address the issue of old built files not being removed, the user should first check the Laravel Mix configuration file, which is typically located in the root directory of the project. This file is named webpack.mix.js. Next, the user should ensure that the versioning method is correctly set up in this configuration file. They can do this by adding the version method to the Mix calls for their JavaScript and SCSS files. After updating the configuration, the user needs to run the build process again. This can be done by executing the command npm run production in the terminal. This command will compile the assets and apply versioning. Finally, the user should check the public directory to confirm that the old files have been removed and only the latest versioned files are present. This ensures that the versioning is working as intended. Fun fact, did you know that Laravel Mix is built on top of Webpack? It's like having a powerful engine under the hood of your car, making everything run smoothly. Now, let's look at the answers provided by other users. One user points out that this issue with Laravel Mix is known and has been reported on GitHub. They suggest checking the latest open issues for workarounds until a permanent fix is available. They offer a few possible solutions. First, let files go into default directories. Second, configure npm to delete your bundle folder before building a new one. Lastly, consider using the Clean Webpack plugin package. Let's take a look at another answer from another user. One alternative solution involves using the Laravel Mix Clean package. This user suggests deleting all built files at each build to avoid clutter. They recommend installing the package and configuring it to clean the specified directory. Additionally, they recommend removing the Mix manifest JSON file before each build. This ensures that the files stay in sync, especially when multiple builds are running concurrently. Here's that great tip I promised. Regularly check your build files and clean them up. This simple habit can save you a lot of headaches down the line. And there you have it. Your Laravel Mix should now be working as expected, cleaning up old files and keeping your project tidy. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe for more tips and tricks.